Hey friends, if the Windows Shift plus S keyboard shortcut is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the resolutions. But first of all, what does the shortcut do? So I'll press Windows Shift and S, and as you can see, the sniping tool has activated. Now I'll cancel it because I don't need to use it right now. The first solution will be to physically clean the keys and the keyboard. Well, this isn't usually the reason, but we will start with the basic one first. So check if there's any dust in these keys and clean that. The second one is to enable clipboard history toggle. How do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and go to clipboard. Open it. Then you need to enable this toggle switch here next to clipboard history. It is untoggled, so you can switch it on. The next solution is to reset the skip and snitch tool, which is the sniping tool. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on installed apps. Wait for the list to load. It is all according to date installed. So I'll share it alphabetically. Now I'll scroll down to the sniping tool, which is under S. Here it is. Click on the three dots associated with it and select advanced options. Now scroll down to the reset section. Click on repair first of all. Click on reset and then on reset once again. By the time this bar is completed, your problem should be fixed in most of the cases. But if it doesn't get fixed, then here's what you can do. Unplug and replug your USB devices, especially your external keyboard. Now, if it still doesn't fix it, then in that case, you can press Control and print screen. Now, Control and print screen has a similar effect, and we're using it as a workaround. It doesn't open the sniping tool, but it copies the screen. So when you search for paint after that and open paint and paste it here, as you can see, the screen has been pasted. The last solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Now, why do we troubleshoot in the clean boot state? Because there are software products like ShareX and all. If you open these software products, it changes the properties of your system and the way screenshots are taken on your system. So if these are activated by default on your computer, then the Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut will not work. Now here's how you can clean boot. Search for the word system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Now go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart. I hope this was helpful, and if yes, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.